Hello guys, I finally received my JBL Partybox 720. In this video I will make a quick unboxing and I will give you my first impressions about the amazing JBL Partybox 720. But first I want to tell you that I paid for it around $950, and for me this price it is a little bit much for such a speaker, but we will see the speaker, we will see the lights, the feature, the everything, and at the end I will tell you my impressions of this speaker. But first let's do the unboxing. So this is the new JBL Partybox 720. Arsh, I just circuit my finger. Let's see it closely. So as you see, it is almost the size of the JBL Partybox Ultimate, but smaller. On the top we see that it has almost the similar buttons as the JBL Partybox 320. It has the bass boost, the Auracast, Bluetooth, the small DJ pad, the equalizer for the microphone. Of course here we can adjust the light feature, and of course here the volume. Of course when we will press the turn on and off, unfortunately it will not turn off because it doesn't have the battery inside. So for $950 you won't get the internal battery. This is the place where you can put the battery, but it doesn't come with an internal battery. And these are the inputs. Let's see them. So it is similar with the JBL Partybox 520. Two connectors, the USB-C, the aux-in, and of course the daisy chain. Here it is the big port because it has two big subwoofers and of course the wheels. Now let us plug in the speaker to see how it will sound. And of course here we have the cables. So we have the manuals that no one reads. JBL Partybox 720, one cable and the second one. Okay, let's connect it to see how it will sound and look. So I just plug in the JBL Partybox 720 and this is the first start. So it starts similar with the JBL Partybox 520. As you see, it has LED bars on the top, on the sides, on the bottom. It has these lights on the 9-inch woofers, and of course it has these some LEDs. We see here that it has the same lights as the JBL Partybox 320, and I really like it. Bass boost, we will leave it on deep bass, and let us connect it to the smartphone. Because the speaker doesn't have Wi-Fi compatibility, it only uses the JBL Partybox app and not the JBL One app as the JBL Partybox Ultimate has. So here we have the 320, but we want the 720. Okay, so you see here that it is connected to the power source. Let us connect. Okay, it needs a software update, light control. As you see, everything it is activated. Equalizer we have, let's see how many lines, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 lines of equalizer, but we leave it on the JBL signature because I really love that sound. We will leave it on deep bass, and that's about it. Connect to previous model. Oh, so we can connect with the as you see here, 110, 310, 710 in core, and the JBL Partybox in core extension. So in my opinion, this is a very good thing. Now let's see how this speaker will sound, because this speaker really looks very good. I would make the JBL logo a little bit bigger, but this was not my choice. Okay, so on the JBL Partybox Ultimate we have the lights even on the back, while on the JBL Partybox 710 we have lights till here. On the back we don't have the lights, but in my opinion it looks very good. Now let's do the sound test.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always make what I want, and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted. Say humble. Now wake up. It's not the look at the enemy. Look in the mirror where he is no friend to me. It's not working out, baby. It's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, 'cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
This creeps me out. You see the hair on my hand. This is amazing. Let me tell you about the power of the JBL Partybox 720. So it has 800 watts of power that comes from 2 tweeters and 2 9-inch woofers. So we can definitely feel that it is very powerful. In my opinion, it is almost similar in power with the JBL Partybox Ultimate that we see here. The bass, it is very strong. You can definitely feel that everything shakes in the house. And now let's do the 40 Hz tone, because I really want to see how the house will shake. So 40 Hz, let's increase to see how much will the bass increase. Okay, so everything shakes in the house. The floor is shaking. This is impressive. That was the unboxing, that was the sound test, and that was the bass test, and I really can say that I am impressed about the power, about the sound quality, about the everything about the new JBL Partybox 720. Even the price impressed me, because it is just too much. It costs $950, but probably on Black Friday we can find it at 700 or 650, and that will be a very good buy, because the new JBL Partybox 520 we can definitely buy these days at $600 to $650, and that comes with an internal battery. So what is my conclusion and my first impressions about the new JBL Partybox 720? In my opinion, it looks better than the old speaker. It has the new improved 2 9-inch woofers compared to the 2 8-inch woofer that the JBL Partybox 710 has. It has the new looks. You see the LEDs, it looks much better. It has a better light show, but unfortunately it doesn't comes with an internal battery, and you can pay another $200 for it to take it with you outside, where probably it will be with 30% less in power, you know. So it has the Aura cast, it has the light show, it has the it can be connected to the old old models, all the JBL Partybox models, and in my opinion it is one of the best JBL Partybox speakers on the market. Of course I will make a cross comparison video between the new JBL Partybox 720 versus the JBL Partybox 710 versus the JBL Partybox Ultimate versus the JBL Partybox 520, but in my opinion I think on the bass part and on the balanced part this will shake your house and it will give you enough power to be impressed, you know. And of course you can do a big party with it. But I am very curious, what is your opinion about this speaker, because this looks very cool. Feel free to subscribe to AudioTribe YouTube channel and please hit that like button. Cheers.